こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm Asuko Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about dream. Do you have a dream? Yes, in Japanese culture, we treat the first dream in the year as a fortune telling in the new year. So many Japanese people are talking about New Year dream, which happens the night in the 1st of January. So it means when you woke up 2nd of January, you presumably you had a dream. Yes. So anyway, today I'm talking about dream. So dream has two meanings. It's maybe the same as English and Japanese. In the Japanese language, dream is yume. And then the same as English word dream, yume has two meanings. One is something we have during sleeping, and then another one is some future ambition or goal or dream. Yes. So, and then in English, maybe you can use the verb have for both ways. For example, you can say, I had a scary dream last night. Oh, yes, nightmare. And then in Japanese language, if I translate this sentence into Japanese, 怖い夢を So 怖い means scary, 夢 means dream. 怖い夢を見ました。Can you recognize this word? 見ました means saw or watched. Yes, I watched a scary dream. Yes, for us Japanese people, dream during night or sleeping has something we can watch, like TV or video like this one. Okay, so we use the word 見ます to mention nighttime dreams. Okay, so if you had a dream during nighttime, during sleeping, you can say 夢を見ました. I watched a dream. Yes. But another sentence, the very famous speech, I have a dream. This one, you can use have to say, you have a future like ambition or goal or something you want to, make a dream come true kind of, situation. In this case, you can say, I have a dream. You can use the same verb, have. Yes, but in Japanese language, no. the different, verbs should be used. So, this is the famous speech by Martin Luther King Jr. And then we translate this sentence into Japanese. 夢があります。夢があります。There is a dream. Yes. Well, I have a dream. There is something here. Yes. あります actually means exist. So a dream exists. A dream here. Yes. So 夢があります。This verb あります is used when we mention our future dream, something we want to, fulfill. Yes. We want to, make it happen. Yes. So 夢があります This is something, your goal, you want to do it. And then 夢を見ます is you have a dream during nighttime, during sleeping time. Okay, so today I'm talking about dream in the Japanese language. Yume, we have the word yume, which has the same meanings in English word dream. So both dream in the nighttime and then dream for the future. Yes, but when we mention in the sentence, we use different verbs. So during nighttime, we use the word 見ます. If you had a dream, 見ました. Okay? And then when we mention I have a dream for the future, 夢があります。あなたの夢は何ですか？ See you next time. さよなら、またね。